Chairman of Pakistan's Higher Education Commission, Muktar Ahmad, said on Friday that Pakistan and China enjoy a long history of relationship and have been cooperating in diverse fields, including the education sector for socio-economic development. He made the remarks at a send-off ceremony for dozens of Pakistani students who have recently been awarded fully funded scholarships by China to study in various top-ranking universities to pursue their graduate, master's, and doctorate degree programs.
When those people who are getting education from China, they have learned those good skills, advanced technology from there, they are also bringing that culture from China, that why this nation has converted in so fast manner from an average country to a top country of the world. So I think this is a very good initiative.
As a person who is a research enthusiast, I'm thinking I will be getting to learn a lot from them. After coming back, I'm thinking about joining as a research clinician. So whatever I will be learning from China, be it language or research, I will be contributing here when I will come back in Pakistan.